Hello, my little ducks. How are you today? I hope you are doing great. Today we have English lesson, and together we're gonna learn about new sound. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. Look here. What this letter E and this A together? They are going to make a new sound E. So let's find the sound here. E. E and A making new sound E. E. And remember, there is the rule here. When you find two vowels comes together, you should to pronounce the name of the first vowel. Look, this is the first one and this is the second one. So the first vowel here is E. You should to pronounce the name. So when you find two vowels comes together, you should to pronounce the name of the first vowel. Okay? So here the first vowel is E and the sound here is E. E and A, E. E and A, making new sound what? E. Making new sound what? E. Okay? And now, let's start together with the first word today. Look at the girl here and the boy. They are doing what? Yeah, they are cleaning. Yeah. So the word here is clean. How do you pronounce the word clean? Clean. So here the word clean. Here the word clean. Here the word clean. How do you pronounce the word clean one more time? Clean. Okay, another word here, guys. Look at the girl here and the boy. They are doing what? Try to guess. Yeah, they are reading. Yeah, so the word here is read. Read. How do you pronounce the word read here? D. Read. Okay, and here another word. Yeah, the boy here is eating. Yeah, so the word here is eat. 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 E sound and t. Eat. Okay, and here let's find the word. Yeah, let's pronounce each sound here and then read the word here. Eat. Seat. Yeah, the word here is seat. Eat. Seat. So the word here is seat. And now let's play it together. Look at the E sound here is on the tree, and we are going to put only the E sound on the tree. Let's read them together, and let's read each word and the word that with E sound. We are going to put it here on the tree. Let's read the first word here. Read. Yeah, the word read here, E sound. Yes, so we're going to put it here. And here, eat. Eat. Yeah, the word eat too, E sound, so we're going to put it here. And here, eat. Seat. So the word seat here, we are going to put it on the tree. And here, cat. The word cat sound E, no. So we're going to put it here away. And here, deg. Yeah, the word deg. E sound, no. So we're going to put it here away. And here, clean. The word clean got E sound. Yes, so we're going to put it here on the tree. And here, step. The word step. E sound, no, so we're going to put it here away. And here, pool, E sound, no, so we're going to put it away. So guys, let's read all the words here on the tree one more time together. Okay, here, read, eat, sit, clean, and don't forget our sound here, E sound. E and A, making new sound, E. Repeat after me, E. And now guys, the time of our session today is over. Thank you for watching me. See you next session. Goodbye.